Every move of the opponent has a reason behind it. Think about it. Just don't grab the opportunity. If you are getting a pawn, just look behind it. The reason why is he giving you a pawn or a queen. Maybe you will get checkmate after 2, 3 moves. You don't know that. Just think of that. Every move has a reason behind it.
Well, that was some intense advice. But why are we talking about pawns and kings? Well, our today's guest Zeel is a chess wizard and also pursuing CMA with Miles. She was recently placed at a top firm too. So, how can you be 2 moves ahead in your career? Let's find out. Congrats on your first job, Zeel. Must have been a big moment.
Yeah, a golden opportunity. Yeah, this is the first one which I got from Miles. It was like for the first part was very easy and the normal basic questions about accounting and the finance. But the second part was a bit difficult. But yeah, I cracked it finally.
So, why do you think you got the job?
I think the way I spoke with my confidence level, and I just told them the same that I'm also pursuing USCMA, and they were very impressed. USCMA, it's certified by IMA, Institute of Management Accountants. So they knew already. I think this was the global course everyone is doing.
I love your confidence. So, was CMA always part of the plan?
Maybe that this will sound a bit funny because I was going into CMA only because of my friends group, but slowly and steadily when I like started learning, I got interest into CMA. The accounting is taught from scratch in Miles, and the material that was provided was excellent. I am still pursuing I still enjoy doing MCQs and everything.
So, was CMA worth it then?
Of course, CMA is totally worth it. It's totally like a boon to accounting career or the finance career, whichever you want. So this was my first placement only from Miles, and luckily I got into first itself. This job, it's like बस मेरे कर्म अच्छे होने लगे, मेरे फल मुझे मिलने लगा because I've been unemployed since the start of CM. I was searching for a part-time job also with studies, but I didn't get. Miles is totally a boon to my career like now, and the placement they have provided, like I have requested them and they agreed, beyond our contract. Like the placement is provided after clearing CMA, right? But they still provided me before the appearing for CMA. So I'm really, really thankful to them. I didn't have to go, anywhere else. So yeah, CMA, I totally give credit to CMA. It's totally worth it.
As you heard, Miles is a boon to the careers of countless USCMA and CPA aspirants. You can get that dream job too. Visit our website to know more.
So first will be the knowledge which you have. You should get knowledge about the interview which you are preparing, right? Second, I would say confidence. Like whatever you speak, you like if you think it's wrong, but just speak confidently, so that the other person doesn't come to know instantly. Maybe he will come to know later on, but not instantly, right? So just be confident while answering. And third, I would say just don't get nervous or anything. Don't get pressurized about it, like it's from MNC. अगर ये कुछ गलत बोल दिया तो क्या होगा? Don't do any such of that. Just be confident and be yourself. That's it.
You are a chess wizard from what I know. Tell us more about that.
I love to play chess in my free time. Started playing chess since I was in third standard. I think my father taught me. School days, I have also enrolled myself into competition, and I have won many competitions over there also.
Chess is all about planning your moves ahead of time. How much of that strategy have you got into your own life?
It has given me a much more confidence. Like whatever happens, don't give up at the last moment. I have checkmate the opponent even with just one pawn. It's very tricky, and you just don't have to give up. Don't lose your hopes. That's it.
So directly go for the kill. Is that your success mantra?
Oh no. Just prep up, of course, first stage. First, prep up yourself, and then I think you should always plan and then move forward.
So what's your favorite piece in chess?
Queen, of course. Queen handles the game, everything. The main player is the king. If king is not there, there is no game. But if king is there only because of queen, right? So yeah, I would protect my king anyhow.
So can we say CMA is like the queen to protect your career, which is the king?
Totally. Yes, yes. Sahi pakda aapne. Yes.
One last question, Zeel. What does your name mean?
It's river, flowing. Just keep flowing. Just don't stop. Water will look its way anyhow, anyway.
Go with the flow. Just like Zeel, you can protect your career and be many moves ahead of your competition. Visit our website to know more about USCPA and CMA courses. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe.